Hello everyone, I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class 10th, we have already discussed about the nomenclature of the hydrocarbons, but in this case, here is unsaturated carbon on which we have to discuss unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. So what are these unsaturated hydrocarbons? When we are talking about the unsaturated hydrocarbons, so that means if there is a carbon and carbon having, if the carbon having double bond, if the carbon having double bond, so that type of the compound is considered to be as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Likewise, if there is ethene, methane, propene, butene, whatever so, and that can be written as C2H4 CH C2H4 C3H6 C4 H8 C5 H10 C6 H12 ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, all those cases in which there is a double bond is getting used. So in all that cases, that is termed as unsaturated hydrocarbons. So these are the hydrocarbon in which there is a double bond, whatever in case. So that one is considered to be a unsaturated hydrocarbon. Likewise, if there is triple bond having triple bond, if the compound or hydrocarbons having triple bond in each of two carbon, that one is considered to be the unsaturated hydrocarbons too, like C2H2, C3H6, C4H8, C5H10, C6H12, C7H14, that is called ine. That means ethyl, propyne, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane. All these can be considered as the triple bond, the triple covalent bond. And these triple covalent bonds are said to be as the unsaturated hydrocarbon. C3H4, C4H, 5, C5H6, C5, C3H4, C2H2, C3H4, C4H6, C4H6, C5H8, C6H10, C7H12. So if it is written in the formula like CnH2n minus 2, so that one is considered to be unsaturated hydrocarbons. And suppose it is CnH2n, that is alkene, CnH2n minus 2, that is alkyl. So that one is considered to be as unsaturated hydrocarbons. How these hydrocarbons may be renamed or named as, here is some of the functional group prefix and suffix, and some of the example we can write over here. Some of them are given as, if it is prefix and suffix used, and wherever the functional group as well as some examples. Like here is chlorofluorobromo, so how can we write it about double bond in case single bond prefix chloro prefix bromo? So if it is written as chloropropane, 1 2 3, and that is written as that one is considered as chloropropane. If here is written as bromo, so that one called as bromopropane. These are the example of particular series. Now for the second, that is double bond. It is for the single bond. For the double bond, how can we write it? Like propene. So that one is written 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Propene 1 2 3. Double bond, that is a single bond. Here is hydrogen. 1 2 3. There is a double bond in which first one given as, if it is written like this, it can be right in that sense as well. So that one is called propene in case of a double bond. If there is a suffix getting used as an alcohol, so in case of propene, if it is having OH, the functional group, so that one is considered to be propanol, the suffix getting used. Wherever the aldehyde getting used, if it is used as a aldehyde, CHO, so that one is called propanol. In case acetone, so there is a chain something like 1 2 3. If it is written like that, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, that is termed as propanone. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. 1, 2, 3. That is propane, and it is a ketone group, so that one is called propanol. If it is the carboxylic acid getting used, so how this can be written? One, two, three, and that might be used as CHO. H, 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 H. CH3, CH2, CHO. That is COOH, COOH. That is carboxy. And that carboxy is getting used in case of a propane, so that one is known as propanoxy. It can be written in the form propanoxy, or it is also written as propanoic acid. In two double form they can be used as. Now the next one is now here are some other example like called as isomerism. Isomerism. What is isomerism? Isomerism is what? Isomerism are defined as the compound which are having same molecular formula but different chemical formula, which have the same molecular formula but the different structural formula. So in which if there is any compound or any hydrocarbons written as in the form of same chemical formula, same molecular formula but different in structural formula, so that can be considered as isomers, and that property is called as a isomerism. Here we can write 4 carbon atom like C4H10. How they can be represented? They can be represented as 1, 2, 3, 4. This can be written in a normal case, so that one is called normal butane. This is called as normal butane. If it is written in another form like CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, so that one is called normal butane. But if it is written like this 1, 2, 3, 1, there is no changes at all about the general formula, but the structural formula getting different from one another, and that is what we can call, this one is represented as like this, or it is also like this, CH3, CH2, CH3 and CH3. It is written in that form too. So that one is called, wherever these chain reactions are the chain form, so that one is called isobutane. This is called isobutane. So the formula will be the same, but their structure getting different from one another. That are called as the isomers, and the property is called isomerism. Let's see another example of this. Here, the pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that one is called normal pentane. Or it is also written as CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also written in that form. So it can also be written in another form, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is written in that manner. So this can be written in that form. That one is called isopentane. What it is called as? Isopentane. Now the next one is, this can be, you can write another one, another form like in that manner. So they can be used as, this can also be written in that form, and that one is called neopentane. This one is called neopentane. This is called neopentane. So wherever you can write at the same formula for the same thing, but the structurally they are different from one another. So if it is getting different from one another, so you can write likewise different formula which are structurally different, but the molecular formula are same. Now you are informed to write at least 4 example of particular type of a reaction, particular type of a formula which is similar to their molecular formula are similar, but the structurally they are different from one another. Now here is another heading that is called as cycloalkane. What is cycloalkane? So cycloalkane are those structures in which the hydrocarbons are arranged in cyclic manner or ring form. These are arranged in cyclic or ring form. So that one is considered to be as cycloalkane. Whenever the hydrocarbons are arranged in a manner that they must have cyclic structure. That one is called C3H6. C3H6. That is called as cyclopropane. Cyclopropane. That is a cycloalkane. If there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that are called cyclopentane. This one called cyclopentane. Why? Because there is a 5 carbon and all are that arranges in a single covalent bond.